How to do a test order on Shopify. Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how you can place a test order on your Shopify store. So let's jump right in. Now, what is the purpose of a test order and how can you place one? Well, a test order serves as a really simple way for you as a store builder or store owner to assess how your store is functioning, whether or not the checkout process on your store is seamless, and what type of customer experience that your customers are going to be receiving, and what could you actually improve in that customer experience. So, having a simulated test order can help you in ensuring what type of customer experience they are receiving. Not only that, but you can actually see how your orders are functioning. So you can actually get used to doing order fulfillment, set up your order fulfillment rules, ensure that you are receiving orders correctly from your store. And if you have a third party dropshipping partner, you can ensure that the orders are reaching your dropshipping partner. So let's jump right into setting up test orders. To do this, you actually need to set up a fake checkout system. So to set up a fake checkout or a bogus gateway, you're going to go ahead and go into your Shopify dashboard. And from your Shopify dashboard, just click on settings on the bottom left. Once you click on settings on the bottom left, you are going to click on payments on the left. Once you click on payments on the left, you're going to click on choose a provider. Now, once you click on choose a provider, on the top of the list, you will see bogus gateway as the first option. This is specifically meant for testing, and this allows you to test a failed as well as a successful transaction. So just select this option over here. And once you select this option, you will actually see this text over here. So instead of the credit card number, you're going to type in 1 to simulate a approved transaction, 2 to simulate a declined transaction, and 3 to simulate a gateway failure. All of this ensures that whenever a customer is going through your website, whenever a customer is, at the checkout, what kind of issues could they face and how can you resolve them? So just click on activate over here. And once you click on activate, you are now going to just go into online store. Once you go into your online store, just open it up like so and go ahead and select your items. So I'm going to select a couple of items. I'll add multiple different items like so. And I'm going to click on view cart like, any regular customer would. And after that, I'm just going to click on checkout. Once I click on checkout, I'm going to fill in the details as I normally would. So whatever details I want to add, I can add that like so. And once I've done that, I can scroll down and we will see the shipping info. Then you have your payment info. So select credit card. And for this transaction, I want to see a successful order. So I will add 1 as the card number. But keep in mind that the security code and the expiration date, you just have to add any date that is in the future for the expiration date. So I will add this as the expiration date and this as the security code. After that, you're just going to type in your billing address. You can use the same shipping and billing address as well, and then click on Pay Now. Now, instead of this actually showing you a payment option, this is directly going to provide you with a order confirmation. Whereas for a actual customer, this will provide them with the section where they provide their payment information. And then after that, this is going to be the final page. So this is the order confirmation page. Now, once this has been done, I can go back into my dashboard and go into orders on the left, and I will see a customer order. This is the order that we just placed, and you will see the fulfillment status of the order as well. Now, to do this, I will proceed with fulfillment, and you will see I actually added 2 items on this. One is a item that I am going to be drop shipping, and the other is an item that is present within my warehouse. So if I want to deliver the items together, I can just go on ahead and first request fulfillment on Zendrop, and I can click on send fulfillment request. What this will do is that this will ask Zendrop to complete this order or fulfill this order. When this is a test order, Zendrop will automatically decline the fulfillment request. You don't have to worry about being charged for anything. Zendrop will detect that this is a simulated order, not a real one. And you can click on fulfill item and you will add the tracking number and the shipping carrier or the customer. Once you do that, you can click on fulfill item on the right and your item will be marked as fulfilled, which means that you have actually sent out the order on your end and the items are now being sent to the end customer. Now, this ensures that whenever you are actually setting up your Shopify store for your customers, you can even customize these messages that are provided. You can also customize how you are fulfilling items because let's say that for my orders, I don't mind to send out two packages so I can notify customers that their singular order might arrive in two different batches. And another really amazing thing about using these test orders is that if you have a shipping provider and you actually take a look at the response of the shipping provider. So if I request fulfillment and my fulfillment takes 5 days to decline, that means that it might take actual orders 5 days to be accepted, and then after that, fulfillment would happen. So, this also actually helps you in ensuring whether or not your dropshipping partner or your dropshipping platform has fast shipping times, has those really easy ways for you to deliver product as soon as possible to the end customer. Now, you can actually do test orders in one other way. It's not meant to be done that way, but you can if you want to, which is setting up a cash on delivery order. So, if you want to simulate a complete order and that is not displayed as a test order, so I don't want it to, be displayed as a test order. I want it to look like and feel like a completely real order. For that, go into settings on the left, go into payments, and scroll down. Click on manual payment methods and add cash on delivery. I've already done this. And if I go on to my store, as you guys can see over here, this is my store and I'm just going to buy it now. And I can go on ahead and add my mail. I can add my info like this. I can add the payment and I can just select cash on delivery and complete the order like so. And this will actually simulate a completely real order. So if I go into orders over here, you will actually see that this is marked as a real order so you can fulfill the items and send them out to customers. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and you are now able to set up test ordering on your Shopify store. If you did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And if you have any questions or queries, leave those in the comment box down below. I would love to know what you guys have to say.